Hi everyone, I'm Pierrette and welcome to my kitchen. Today, at the request of my friend Deb, we are going to make over easy eggs. She's always asking how you time them properly to get them just perfect with those runny yolks. So today I'm going to show you how I do it. So this pan has been heating now for about 30 seconds on medium heat, and I'm going to add a little bit of butter. When you add your butter, it should be a little bit sizzly and melt pretty quickly, but it shouldn't be so hot. Hear that sizzle? It shouldn't be so hot that you're burning it, and you should never let your pan heat up so much that it's smoking. Then it's way, way too hot. So I'm just going to swirl this around, make sure we get the butter in all of the corners on the pan. This is a Cuisinart nonstick pan, but any nonstick pan will do. I have personally tried multiple kinds, and this one seems to work well for me. So when your butter is sizzling lightly, like we just heard it, we're going to crack our eggs in. And I'm just going to do 2. And you can see that they're not immediately cooking. The white is thickening up just a little bit. So this is right about where you want your eggs. The white part is becoming opaque, and then you have a little bit of uncooked white on the top. So we're just going to season these up real quick, and we're going to give them a quick flip. So you want your pan to have enough butter and be hot enough before you put the eggs in that they'll swirl around like this when they're ready. And then you just give them a little flip. And this is right when I serve them. So those are our eggs over easy. And now we're gonna make some hollandaise sauce, but I'll do that in a separate video. So click below or just check out my channel. You might stumble across something else that you wanna make in addition.